Okay, monitor call center solution. So why monitor? Alright, so you do have many options out there. You have VJ Dial from the open source community, and you have Aircore from a cloud-based solution. So monitor is the perfect solution between the two, and it really dramatically reduces your overheads. So first of all, cost per user. Aircore will charge between $30 and $50 per month per user, where Monitor is absolutely free. There is no service requirements because it's a cloud solution, unlike Vici, which requires a fairly heavy server and quite expensive server, and it can only handle 12 people per server. There is no maintenance cost. Vici Dial has the hidden cost. Even though it's open source and can be set up, you must have an understanding of asterisks, you must have an understanding of Vichidile to actually manage, configure, and set up the system. So this is not straightforward, and this can range from 6,000 to much higher. Monitor has an inbuilt lead and QA system, and this is especially designed for call center solutions, as well as a great avatar system and custom reporting to allow deep analytics. There is no limit of users with Monitor, unlike Vici Dial, which is going to limit you to 12 per server, 12 agents. So it's really a good solution and really has all the features of the large commercial packages, as well as avoids the cost of the open source solutions. So what do you get? So right out of the box, you get your predictive or power dialer. You're in complete control. There's inbound, outbound, or you can even have mixed campaigns in a single campaign. There's a transfer live data and call system, which means if you have salespeople or other channels, you can send the data and the call at the exact same time to the third party. We have custom lead generation, so whatever information you need to collect, you can customize and set up for your needs. A full QA control allowing you to listen to recordings and to set your own matrix and quality control processes, as well as real-time monitoring, allowing for whisper and direct message so you can listen to your agents in real time what they're saying, and you can talk to them as need be to train them and refine their process or assist them through their sales process. There's no extra software, which is great. No extra SIP clients required, which means much higher quality audio and much higher clarity to each call. Uh, Buying numbers is at a simple click of a button, so buy phone numbers as you need and add them to your campaign or change them as need be. Live lead reporting allows you to see the performance of your lists and your leads and how well they're doing. We use a push model allowing for true real-time monitoring, so see your calls in action, see what the agents are doing at that exact point in time. And one of the great parts is pay as you go. Just pay what you need, nothing more. So if you're not sure for how long you're going to run the campaign, this is a great way to get started. And some of our great advanced features include avatar, using a real text-to-speech system, or you can use real recordings of your best agents and just have a click-to-play interface. Agent tone evaluation allows for quality checking of your agents in real time. Make sure they have the right tone for your customers. Transcript functionality simply convert any call into a text transcript. And workflow management. This is great for custom sales and workflow functionality for the next level of complexity. Also, you have access to fax, SMS, and WhatsApp on request. So this is really a great solution for someone to get started and really develop their call center. So let's get to the real system. Okay, so this is the live campaign system. From the left, we have our live calling, which is agents calling, and call monitoring, allowing for the monitoring of the agents, our QA management, Managing the campaigns is where you set up the campaigns and the details. Avatar for creating and managing the avatar. Managing lists, so this is your leads that you're going to upload in the system. And your DNC, so you can block phone numbers and control the numbers with some standard list reporting, lead reporting, and a whole bunch of admin functionality. So let's go through the system. The agents would log in here. At this point, they will have a selection of campaigns they can choose from. So in this case, we have one called outbound name. This is just simply calling the weather. So let's hit join. As you can see at the top here, there's an incoming connection, which is the embedded phone in the browser. Once we hit accept, the phone calls start coming in. So at this point, we can see in our monitoring screen that now there's one call being placed and there's one agent waiting. So right now, the agent has received a call. We can see the phone number, last name, first name, company name, as well as custom form. So here we have an example of a custom form, which would be the information about the customer or the lead. So let's just end that call. On ending a call, we have the options for classifying what happened during that call. On the right, you would be able to see, so let's just say hang up, and other things you can do with the call here is transfer a call and operate a call. So you can see now I'm currently in a call, and we can transfer this call to a third party. All the meantime, we can see in our live monitoring what is occurring, the number of calls, how long an agent's been waiting for, the number of agents in a call, and we can see right now real data about the agent. So we can see that my current agent has called for 34 seconds and has been waiting in dead time, which is the time where they're waiting for transition, for 26 seconds, and they're doing campaign. Some other features here is listen, which gives me the ability just to listen to the agent while they're on a call. Another option is interact, so I can actually talk to the agent without the customer hearing and hang up, which allows me to force the agent to hang up the call. So these are some of the core features. Along the top here, we have a collection of options in terms of different campaigns. We can capture information about the list. We can see, for example, the weather list. In this case, we can see there was a lot of hang-ups, one callback, and one interest. We have the ability to reset the list, which means that we can set which status that we want to cancel and reset. And of course, we can set inactive or active, which gives us the ability to change lists within the calling system. Other couple of features is the reset stats. So if you want to reset the current stats of the screen, we can set all back to 0 and keep on calling. Of course, it keeps a record of the agent stats independently so that you have a database and we can report on them later. So that's a quick overview of these features. QA gives us the ability to listen to recordings and search for existing sales and really be able to control your flow. So in terms of controlling your flow, it would be filling out the form, submitting a lead or transferring the lead, and then coming back to the QA to go through the lead, evaluate, and score the agents to ensure the quality of the calling process. So that's a quick overview of how this works, and any questions, let me know.